Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see Python GUI programming series with TKinter. In this series, we learn how to create graphical user interfaces using Python's TKinter library. First, the overview of GUI programming. GUI means graphical user interface. GUI programming allows us to create visual interfaces for our Python applications. Instead of using a command line interface, GUI provides buttons, menus, and other graphical elements for user interaction. GUI programming is essential for creating user-friendly applications such as games, utilities, and business applications. Second, Introduction to TKinter library in Python. TKinter is Python's built-in GUI toolkit. It provides a set of tools and widgets for creating and interacting with GUIs. Let's look into it. So, today I'll be using Visual Studio Code Editor to program the following example. Let's begin. So, this is a simple TKinter example. Create a new Python file and import the TKinter module. Import TKinter as TK. Next, create a basic TKinter window using the following code. Root equal to tk.tk. So this is a function. Root.title, you can give it as my first TKinter window. And the root.geometry is 300 cross 200. Finally, start the TKinter event loop to display the window by root.main loop. Let's see the explanation for this example. First, we imported the TKinter module and created a new TKinter window using the TK constructor. Second, we set the title to the window My TKinter window and its size to 300 cross 200 pixels. Finally, the main loop method starts the TKinter event loop, which listens to every events such as button clicks and key presses. So this is our first lesson. We have covered an overview of GUI programming and an introduction to TKinter library in Python. In the next lesson, we'll dive deeper into TKinter widgets and layout management. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more Python GUI programming tutorials with TKinter. Please subscribe and like our video. Thank you.